Welcome back everybody. So guys, in this class I just want to show you some more interesting things. So let's just start from the script tag again. So I'm just going inside, and what I just want to show you, did you remember that we just talked about the if else, basically the if condition. So now I'm just gonna describe some more about the if condition. So what I'm just gonna do, first of all, I'm just creating a variable, the var1, and what I'm just doing, I'm just typing here the 5 and just pressing enter, and actually the if. Now you know about the operators, the if else operator, so I'm just gonna teach you some thing with the fast mode. So if the var1 is equal to 5, then this block should run. So there I'm just typing the document.write, and then here what I'm just doing here, the first condition is true. Pretty awesome. Save, and I'm just going to the browser back to check that out and refresh. Now the first condition is true, so this is actually perfect. So what more I'm just gonna do, I'm just gonna press enter, and then again I'm just typing if, but for now I'm just checking that if the var1 is equal to 8, so document.write, so there the second condition is true. Okay, now save and go to the browser. Exactly, this is not true, so I won't get anything. Exactly, it's empty, nothing new. So actually it's not showing anything when the condition is wrong or the condition is false. So what to do there, I can add another thing, the else will work when the condition is false. So there I just cannot add another condition, I just can add the block, another code block. It will run when the condition is false, and this block won't able to run. This block is not able to run, this one. Okay, the first block. Then the else block will run. If the if block won't run, then the else block run. So I'm just typing here the document.write the, oh sorry about that, yeah, well I can type anything whatever I want. I can put any function here, any formula here. The second condition is false. Now save and go back to the browser as I'm going and refreshing. Now you can see that the first condition is true, but the second condition is false, not true. So what more I'm just going to do, actually just adding, you know, the br here and there. Now save and go back to the browser as I'm going and refresh that back, and now exactly it's pretty awesome. So one thing more I just want to clear you, that it's almost, actually this is completely impossible for this if block to show this document.write and this both. Only the else will run or only the if will run. Okay, it's impossible to run both of them. Only a single statement can run. Okay, but in a single block of code you can add multiple statements, but only a single block of code will run. So there I'm just typing 2. Okay, now save and go to the browser. So you will see, refresh, the second condition is false 2. Exactly, only a single code of block will run, not both of them. So this is what I just want to teach you. Something more do you want to learn? Yeah, exactly. For example, I just want to add some more checks. So if var1 is equal to 9, so document.write, sorry, yeah, it should not be there now. Document.write and first the br, then the third condition is true, but exactly it's not true. So I'm just giving it another chance to check, maybe the condition can be true in another way. I just don't want to go directly on the else that the condition is false directly. So I'm adding else if. This is another interesting, and there you can put another condition. So now there I'm just typing the var1 is equal to 5. So there what I'm just doing, I'm just adding document.write, and there I'm just typing the BR first, as you know, and the third condition is true on the second if, but it's true. Okay, if it's not true on a second attempt too, so it should run the else. The else means the condition is false, exactly. So the document dot write, and there first the BR and the third condition is false after all. So I should save and go to the browser to check that out. It's working or now. Refresh now. The third condition is true on the second if. So I think you just understood what the meaning. We've added the if else if here, so exactly it's true, but on a second attempt we can add a lot of else ifs. For example, you just want to check with some more ways, so let's just press enter here and add another else if, and first the condition and the statement. Now the var1 is equal to 3, maybe it is equal to 3, so document dot write, and there first the BR and the third condition is true, is true on the third if. Save and go to the browser, but it's exactly this one is true, so exactly the second if is still on a position. So I think you understood. You can add a lot of else if as much as you want, and it's completed. In the next class I'll just make a small game. I just want to show you the nested else if. So this is another chapter, so exactly we'll just talk about that in the next class. Stay tuned and goodbye.